Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I would like to make some tutorial of makeup. So today I have like a theme. It's kind of like a pinkish beige colored theme makeup look, and I just want to make it like as simple as it is and looks like more natural. So this is my look without like anything on my face right now. I even like don't put like moisturizer or anything, just a bare face. So right now I would like to change to soft lenses, and also I will put some moisturizer on my face, and then I will show you guys step by step how I make my makeup. So let's get started. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys find it enjoyable, and I just want to share with you guys how I do my makeup look. So I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoyable to be watched. I will put all the stuff that I use on the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. And yeah, so please click subscribe for me for more update about my vlog, and also thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.